How to buy reverse reality road token. So this token came under the symbol of RRR. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 384 members there. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 2 days ago and increased by 39% in less than 4 hours. And also this token shown in number 7 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your phone to manage more data. As you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now make sure that you have an Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste token in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, for example, and click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy reverse reality real token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.